Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to take a look at a program that will generate random numbers. Now let's see how to do that. First of all, you have to, if you remember the scanner, to get an input from the user, you import scanner and use it, right? Like that, we have something called scanner as well, not scanner, random as well. We have to import that one to generate random numbers. So go above the class and type import java.util.random, okay, semicolon, and then inside of this main function we are gonna let's say we are gonna write a program that will actually randomly select some dice numbers. Let's say we are gonna roll a dice and it's gonna generate some random numbers. That's what we are gonna design. So random, like if you remember, we created object in previous thing. Like that, we have to do that for the random as well. Random dice is equal to new random, and then I close the bracket, semicolon, and then integer number. I introduce a variable called number, and we are going to run a for loop. In this for loop, what are we going to do is we are going to run 10 random numbers. So I start with integer counter. I initialize integer with 1. Counter is equal to 1, and then I set the limit for the counter up to 10, less than or equal to 10, and we are going to do the increment by 1. Counter plus plus. This for loop is to run 10 times, okay, but the numbers we are going to get is based on the one I'm going to write right now. Number is equal to dice dot next int, and what is the maximum value. Okay, now when we select 6, okay, I'm gonna put the printout statement. When I run this one, you can see it clearly rather than I'm explaining. System.out statement, system.out.println number plus, and I leave a space. Okay, and a semicolon right here. Now here you can see this dice dot next int. This 6 is basically 6 number from 0. So what does it do is it selects the random numbers from 0 to 5, because 6 mean like start from 0. 0 is 1, 1 is 2, 2 is 3, 3 is 4, 4 is 5, and 5, 6. Like when it reached 5, it already reached 6 numbers. So if I run this one, it only select the random numbers starting from 0 and 5, and you know that in a dice it should start from 1 to 6, right? We have to have numbers from 1 to 6. So how can we change this one to 1 to 6? We have to just add 1 to this. Like it's still gonna run 0 to 5, but what does it do is it just add 1 to that. So we will get an illusion like we are getting numbers from 1 to 6. Now when I run this again, you can see it's starting from 1, and now I didn't get any 6 yet. I run it again. Okay, now you can see we are getting 1, 6, and all this thing, and you can see we don't have 0, and we are getting 6 as well. And that's all in this tutorial. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys on my next tutorial.